Students, welcome back to all 4 C learning classes. Dear students, already we completed the binomial theorem for rational index and we have started infinite problems on infinite series. Now we continue the remaining problems. Okay, first one, please note this problem. Find the value of 1 minus 4 by 5 plus 4 into 7 by 5 into 10 minus 4 into 7 into 10 by 5 into 10 into 15 plus so on infinite. It is the first problem. Here the sequence is the sequence contains all the terms. Please observe the values. Let what is the sequence? Say this value is s. S is equal to 1 minus 4 by 5 plus 4 into 7 by 5 into 10 minus 4 into 7 into 10 by 5 into 10 into 15 plus so on infinite. It is the required sequence. That value, say this value is s. Now we find the value of s. Please observe this value. It is in the form of 1 plus x whole power n or 1 minus x whole power n. In this case, the sequence contains alternatively plus and minus. So it is in the form of 1 minus x whole power n. For getting alternative plus and minus, 1 minus x whole power n or 1 plus x whole power minus n. Okay, it is in the form of 1 minus x whole power n. That means 1 minus nx plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into x square minus so on infinite. Okay, compare the above value. Say this value is 1, this value is 2. Compare the above sequence with 1 minus x whole power n. Then automatically what is the value of s? S is equal to 1 minus x whole power n. Next, by comparing the terms in RHS, what is the minus nx is equal to minus 4 by 5. That means nx is equal to 4 by 5. Okay, and next n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into x square is equal to what is the second term? 4 into 7 by 5 into 10. Okay, for getting the value of s, first we find n and x in RHS. If n and x are known values, then what is the value of s? 1 minus x whole power n. Substitute that values in this equation, we get s. Okay, here nx is equal to 4 by 5. Next, n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into x square is equal to 4 into 7 by 5 into 10. What is the meaning of this? Nx into nx minus x by 2 factorial means 2 is equal to 4 into 7 by 5 into 10. These 2 cancelled 5 times. Please observe this value. X square means x into x. One of the x can be distributed to n and the remaining x can be distributed to n minus 1. N minus 1 into x means nx minus x. But actually what is the value of nx? Nx means 4 by 5. That means 4 by 5 into 4 by 5 minus x is equal to 4 into 7 by 25. 5 into 5 means 25 or 5 by 5 into 5. Here one of the value of 5 is cancelled. Next 4 cancelled. What is the value? 4 by 5 minus x is equal to 7 by 5. By using that value, we find the value of x. Here 4 by 5 minus x is equal to 7 by 5. Okay. What is the x? X is equal to 4 by 5 minus 7 by 5. LCM is the 5. 4 minus 7 means minus 3 by 5. Therefore, x is equal to minus 3 by 5. X value is minus 3 by 5. But nx is equal to 4 by 5. Substitute the value of x in this equation, we get n. That means n into x means minus 3 by 5 is equal to 4 by 5. 5 cancel. What is the value of n? N is equal to minus 4 by 3. What is the value of x? X is equal to minus 3 by 5 and n is equal to minus 4 by 3. Okay. Therefore, what is the required value? Required sequence is nothing but s. Substitute the value of s in this equation. Substitute the value of n comma x in this equation. Therefore, finally, s is equal to 1 minus x whole power n. That means, what is the value of x? Minus 3 by 5. 1 plus 3 by 5 whole power n means minus 4 by 3. That is equal to, LCM is 5. 8 by 5 whole power minus 4 by 3. That is equal to 5 by 8 whole power minus 4 by 3. Okay. Plus 4 by 3. 5 power 4 by 3 by 8 power 4 by 3 means 8 means 2 cube. 2 cube whole power 4 by 3. That is equal to 2 power 4. Split this value. 5 power 4 by 3 by 2 cube whole power 4 by 3. 3 cancel. 2 power 4 means 16. 5 power 4 by 3 by 16. This is the final result of this sequence. Okay. Please note this value. Next. Second one. 3 into 5 by 5 into 10 minus 3 into 5 into 7 by 5 into 10 into 15 plus 3 into 5 into 7 into 9 by 5 into 10 into 15 into 20 minus so on infinite. What is this value? It is a sequence and it contains infinite terms. Find the sum of the infinite sequence. Okay. Say this value is s. Let s is equal to 3 by 5 by 5 into 3 into 5 by 5 into 10 minus 3 into 5 into 7 by 5 into 10 into 15 plus so on. This is the sequence. Please observe the terms in this sequence. Here 2 terms, here 3 terms, here 4 terms, continuous. But before this values, some terms are missing in this case. Please observe the terms. First 2 terms, next 3, 4 continuous. Before this value, how many terms are there? 3 terms, 2 single term. Next, the sequence begins with 1. Okay, so that implies S is equal to, missing terms are, please observe this value, 3 by 5 is the common term. So first term is 3 by 5. That means 3 by 5 by 5 by 10 minus 3 into 5 into 7 by 5 into 10 into 15 plus so on. Before this term it is plus. So minus 3 by 5. Okay. Minus 3 by 5. Before that value 1. So for the completion of the sequence, we add 1 minus 3 by 5 on both sides. So S plus 1 minus 3 by 5. Here 1 minus 3 by 5 plus 3 into 5 by 5 into 10 plus 1. So that means by adding 1 minus 3 by 5 on both sides, we get this value. In this case, the sequence is completed. Please observe this value. Okay. S plus 1 minus 3 by 5 is nothing but S plus, here LCM is 5. 5 minus 3 means 2 by 5 is equal to 1 minus 3 by 5 plus 3 into 5 by 5 into 10 minus of that value, so on. The sequence is completed here. Okay. Here in this case we get alternatively plus and minus. It is in the form of, compare this equation with 1 minus x whole power n is equal to 1 minus nx plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into x square minus so on infinite. By comparing this value, s plus 2 by 5 is equal to 1 minus x whole power n. S plus 2 by 5 is equal to 1 minus x whole power n. Say this equation is 1. Okay. Now we find the value of s. For getting s, x and n must be find. Required values are x and n. Okay. X comma n are calculated or find by using RHS value. What is RHS value? By comparing these values, nx is equal to 3 by 5 and n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into x square is equal to, what is that value? 3 into 5 by 5 into 10. Here nx value 3 by 5. Split this value into 2 parts. That means nx, here 2 factorial means 2. How many times? 5 times. Nx into nx minus x is equal to 3 by 5 into, here 5 cancel. That means 3 by 5. What is the value of nx? Nx value is 3 by 5. Nx value is 3 by 5. That means 3 by 5 into 3 by 5 minus x is equal to 3 by 5. Here 3, 5, 1 time cancel. Okay. 3 by 5 minus x is equal to 1. What is the value of x? 3 by 5 minus 1. That means minus 2 by 5. It is the value of x. Substitute the value of this x in this equation. In this nx is equal to 3 by 5. That means n into minus 2 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. 5 cancel. N is equal to minus 3 by 2. N is minus 3 by 5 and x is minus 2 by 5. Substitute these two values in this equation, we get s. Okay. Therefore, s plus 2 by 5. Therefore, s plus 2 by 5 is equal to, what is the value? 1 minus x whole power n. That is equal to 1 plus 2 by 5 whole power n means minus 3 by 2. Okay. Simplify this value, we get the value of s. That means s plus 2 by 5 is equal to this value. LCM is 5. S plus 2 by 5 is equal to, 5 is the LCM, 7 by 5 whole power minus 3 by 2. That means s plus 2 by 5 is equal to 5 by 7 whole power 2 by 3. What is the value of s? 5 by 7 whole power 2 by 3 minus 2 by 5. That is the required value. Okay, please simplify this value. Next, third one. Find the sequence, sum of the sequence 5 by 6 into 12 plus 5 into 8 by 6 into 12 into 18 plus 5 into 8 into 11 by 6 into 12 into 18 into 24 plus so on infinite. Now we find this value. That means let s is equal to, say s is equal to 5 by 6 into 12 plus 5 into 12 by 6 into 12 into 18 plus 5 into 8 into 11 by 6 into 12 into 18 into 24 plus so on. Please observe the sequence. In denominator it contains 2 terms, it contains only 1 term. Here denominator contains 3 terms, here only 2 terms. Sequence is not perfect. Okay, first we complete the sequence in a particular order. Okay, here denominator contains 2 terms, numerator contains only 1 term, but required value is 1 term. What is the difference of these values? Please observe the value. 8 minus 5, 3. 11 minus 8, 3. So, what is the first term before 5? Before fifth term is dash. That means 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 means 2. So, multiplying on both sides with 2, we get 2s is equal to 2 into 5 by 6 into 12 plus 2 into 5 into 8 by 6 into 12 into 18 plus 1. Please observe the sequence. In this case, the sequence is completed. Here 2 terms, here 2 terms, here 2 terms. But the sequence begins from 1. 1 plus single term plus 2 terms plus 3 times. Okay, here next the missing terms are, what are the missing terms? 1 plus 2 by 6. Please observe this value. By adding 1 plus 2 by 6 on both sides, we get 2s plus 1 plus 2 by 6 is equal to, okay, 1 plus 2 by 6 plus, next what is the value? 2 into 5 by 6 into 12 plus so on. Please observe the sequence. The difference is 3. So before this term is 5 minus 3 means 2. So multiplying with 2. Next the missing terms are 1 plus 2 by 6. By adding this value we get the complete sequence. Okay. 2s plus 1 plus 2 by 6 means 1, 3. That means 2s plus 4 by 3 is equal to 1 plus 2 by 6 plus 2 into 5 by 6 into 12 plus 1. Please observe this value. It is in the form of, what is the form? 1 plus x whole power n. What is the 1 plus x whole power n? 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into x square plus so on infinite. By comparing these two values, 2s plus 4 by 3 is equal to 1 plus x whole power n. 2s plus 4 by 3 is equal to 1 plus x whole power n, and nx is equal to 2 by 6, and n of n minus 1 by 2 factorial into x square is equal to 2 into 5 by 6 into 12. Okay, in the same way, find n and x, substitute these values in this equation, complete this problem. Okay, please note this value. Next, divisibility. Suppose the number is in this way, 50. 50 can be reduced into 2 into some 25. What is the meaning of this? This 50 is divisible by 2 and 25. If the number is divisible by 2, it can be reduced into 2 into some integer. 2 into some integer means, suppose 50 is divided with 2, 25 time cancelled, remainder is 0. 2 into some integer means completely this value is divisible by 2. If the remainder is 0, then it can be divisible by 2. That means it can be reduced into 2 into some integer. Suppose it can be reduced into 3 into some integer, it is divisible by 3. But 3 into what is the value? 50 by 3. It is not divisible by 3. It is not an integer. That means it has some remainder. Suppose 50 is divided with 3. That means 1 time 3, 2 0, 6 times 18, remainder is 0. In this case, 50 is not divisible by 3. That means 50 cannot be resolved into 3 into some integer. If 3 into some integer, then it is divisible by 3. If it cannot be resolved into 3 into some integer, then that number is not divisible by 3. That means the remainder is, in this case the remainder is, what is the remainder? 2. Okay. Suppose the 50 can be resolved into 3 into some integer plus some 2. 3 into integer plus 2. So 3 into integer means this value is divisible by 3. This is the remainder. 3 into some integer plus 2, it can be resolved into this value. This part is nothing but remainder. Remainder is always lies in between. Suppose it can be divided with 3. The number is divided with 3. The possible remainders are 0. 0 means that is divisible by 3. Suppose divided with 3, then the remainder is possible value is 1 or 2, not more than 3. Suppose please observe the values 1. 1 is one of the number. 1 is one of the number. This can be divided with 3. What is the remainder? 0 times 0. 1 is the remainder. 2 is one of the number. Divided with 3. What is the value? Remainder is 2. Here remainder is 1. Here remainder is 2. Suppose the number is 3. Then it is divided with 3. What is the remainder? 1 times 3. Remainder is 0. Please observe this value. Next, divide with 4. What is the remainder? 1. Next, divided with 5. Remainder is 2. 6. Divided with 3. Remainder 0. The remainders are 0, 1, 2, 3. Repeated. That means remainder is always less than the number which is that means quotient. That means divisible value. Divisible value. The number n and it is divided with 3. Then the remainder is less than 3. If the divided with 4, the remainder is less than 4. That means 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. Suppose the number n is divided with 5, the number is always less than 5. That means the remainder is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If the number is divided with 6, the possible remainders are less than 6. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please observe these values. Okay. In this divisibility problems, we find the remainders and the number which is divisible by which value. If the number is divisible by completely divisible, then the remainder is 0. Then the remainder is 0. Or it can be resolved into that number into integer. If the number converted into that value into integer, then it is divisible by that value. Okay. Please observe these values. Next, please note the problem. Find the remainder when 1 plus alpha whole power n minus 1 is divisible. 1 plus alpha whole power n minus 1 is divisible by dash. 1 plus alpha whole power n minus 1 is divisible by dash. That means this number is divided with which number? Okay. Now 1 plus alpha whole power n minus 1. By using the binomial distribution, we find this value. What is the expansion of binomial expansion? 1 plus x whole power n, c0 plus c1x plus c2x square plus so on. By using that property, we find this expansion. That means nc0 plus nc1 into alpha plus nc2 into alpha square plus so on, ncn into alpha power n minus 1. Okay. What is the value of nc0? nc0 means 1. nc1 means n into alpha plus nc2 into alpha square plus so on, this value. Okay. Here 1 cancel. nc1 into alpha plus nc2 into alpha square plus so on, this value. Here what is the common term? Alpha is the common term. Alpha into nc1, okay, plus nc2 into alpha square means alpha plus so on, this value. Here what is the common term? Alpha is the common term. nc1 is the integer. nc2 into alpha is the integer. All of these are integer. Integer plus integer plus integer means it is integer. So what is the meaning of this value? Alpha into some integer. So this value must be divisible by alpha. Please observe this value. Alpha into this nc0, nc1, nc2, all of these values are integer. And alpha is also from the given, alpha is also integer. Some integer, alpha is the integer. Okay. Integer plus integer plus integer so on is equal to integer. So alpha into some integer means this value is divisible by alpha. Please note this value. 1 plus alpha whole power n minus 1 is divisible by alpha. Okay, where alpha is some integer. Next, second one. 50 power n minus 50 power n minus 49n minus 1 is divisible by dash. Divisible by dash. 50 power n minus 49n minus 1. It is the given value, given expression. This 50 can be reduced into 1 plus 49 whole power n minus 49n minus 1. Please observe these values. Here it is in the form of 1 plus x whole power n. What is the binomial expansion? 1 plus x whole power n is equal to nc naught plus nc1x plus nc2x square plus 1 ncn into x power n. Here n is n and x is 49. After expansion it can be reduced into nc naught plus nc1 into 49 plus nc2 into 49 square plus 1 ncn into 49 whole power n minus 49n minus 1. Okay, nc naught means 1, nc1 means n into 49 means this is the 49n. Here 49n 49n 1 cancel. Please observe these values. In the remaining case, nc naught nc2 into 49 square nc3 into next 49 cube plus so on. What is the common term in this value? 49 square, 49 cube, so on, this value. In this case the common term is 49 square into sum. What is that value? Please observe these values. This value cancel. nc2 plus nc3 into 49 plus 1 ncn into 49 power n minus 2. Total this value is always integer. This value is integer. 49 square into integer means this number is divisible by 49 square. This number is divisible by 49 square. Please observe these values. 1 plus whole power n minus 1 is always divisible by which value? Alpha. Okay. In this case, suppose the number is in this way. 1 plus alpha whole power n minus. Here 49 alpha means n alpha minus n alpha minus 1. It is always divisible by what is that value? Alpha square. Please note this value. Note point. Note point. Let alpha be the any integer. Then 1 plus alpha whole power n minus 1 is always divisible by alpha. Next, 1 plus alpha whole power n minus n alpha minus 1. This value is always divisible by 1 plus alpha whole power n. 1 plus alpha whole power n minus n alpha minus 1 is always divisible by which value? Alpha square. Okay, please note that value. Next, third one. 5 power 4n plus 52n minus 1 is divisible by dash. 5 power 4n plus 52n minus 1 is divisible by dash. 5 power 4n plus 52n minus 1. This value is divisible by dash. Please observe this value. This can be reduced into 5 power 4n means 5 square whole power 2n. 5 square means 25. 25 whole power 2n plus 52n minus 1. Okay. Now this 25 can be reduced into 26 minus 1. 26 minus 1 is nothing but 25. Okay. 26 minus 1 whole power 2n is even. X power even or minus x whole power en both are same. So this can be reduced into 1 minus 26 whole power 2n. Both are same. Please observe this value. 26 minus 1 whole power 2n is equal to 1 minus 26 whole power 2n. Minus 25 whole power 2n means 25 whole power 2n. Okay. Plus 52n minus 1. It is in the form of 1 minus x whole power n. What is the formula 1 minus x whole power n? C naught minus c1x plus c2x square, alternatively plus and minus. That means after expansion this can be reduced into 2n c naught minus 2n c1 into 26 plus 2n c2 into 26 whole square minus 2n c3 into 26 whole cube plus so on up to 2n cn into 26 power, what is that value? 2 power 2n minus plus 52n minus 1. Please observe this value. What is the value of 2n c naught? 1. 2n c1 means 2n. 2n into 26. What is that value? 52n. These two values are cancelled. 1 1. This 1 1 cancelled. Next, what is the common term? 26 whole square, 26 whole cube, so on. The common term is 26 whole square into some integer. Please observe this value. 26 whole square into 2n c2 minus 2n c3 into 26 plus so on. It is integer. 26 whole square into integer means this number is always divisible by 26 whole square. 26 square means 576. So this number is divisible by 576. Please note this value. Next, fourth one, the remainder left out when 8 power 2n minus 62 whole power 2n plus 1 is divided by 9. Is divided by 9. The remainder left out when 8 power 2n minus 62 whole power 2n plus 1 is divided by 9. Suppose n is any number, any integer. This is divided with 9. Then what are the possible remainders? The possible remainders are 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on 8. Up to so on 8 only. Okay. The remainder is 0 when it is completely divided with 9. Remainder is 1 when it is in the form of 9 into some integer plus 1 form. This number can be reduced into 9 into some integer plus 1. Then this number is divisible by 9. So remainder is 1. Suppose it can be reduced into 9 into some integer plus 2. Then what is the remainder? Remainder is 2. Okay. 9 into some integer plus 3. Then remainder is 3. So up to 8. Suppose 9 into some integer plus 9. That means 9 is the common term. 9 into again integer plus 0. That means remainder is 0. Suppose the number is in this way. 9 into some integer minus 1. What is the remainder? The remainder never be negative. Please, very very important. Remainder is always lies in the interval 0 to 8 only. Remainder never be negative. That means it can be reduced into minus 9. Minus 1 means what is the meaning of that value? Minus 1 means that value is 8 minus 9. Please observe this value. 8 minus 9 means that value is minus 1. In this case, 9 into integer minus 9 means 9 into some integer minus 9 means integer minus 1. Integer minus 1 means again it is integer. 9 into integer plus 8. Please observe this value. Suppose the problem is in this way. 9 into integer minus 1 means the remainder is 9 minus 1. Please observe this value. 9 minus 1 means 8. Not minus 1. Suppose the problem is in this way. 9 into integer minus 2. What is the remainder? Remainder never be negative. Not equal to minus 2. In this case, the remainder is 9 minus 2. That means 7. Okay. Next, minus 3. 9 into integer minus 3. What is the remainder? 9 minus 3. That means 6 is the remainder. Please observe that values. Remainder always positive quantity and that value lies in the interval 0 to 8 when it is divided with 9. Suppose it is divided with 4. What are the possible remainders? 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. It is very very important. Please observe that points. Okay. Next. Coming to the problem. What is the problem? 8 power 2n. Here 8 power 2n minus 62 whole power 2n plus 1. This value is divided with 9. So, first we reduce this value into 9 into some integer plus some constant or some 9 into some integer. 9 into integer means remainder is 0. 9 into integer plus something means that something value is remainder if it is positive. Okay. So, first we reduce into 9 multiples since it is divided with 9. For getting 9 multiples, it is 8. 8 means it can be reduced into 9 minus 1. So, we get this can be reduced into 9 multiples. Okay. So, 8 power 2n means 9 minus 1 whole power 2n. Okay. Next, 62. 62 is not divided with 9. But 62 can be reduced into 9 multiples. 9 into 1 means 9. 9 into 2 means 18. Next, 27. Next, 36. 45. Next, up to this value. Up to 63 is the multiple of 9. But here 62. 62 means 63 minus 1 whole power 2n plus 1. Here 63 is the multiple of 9. 9 is the multiple of 9. Okay. First we reduce the given values into multiples of 9. Very very important. Okay. Next, what is this expansion? It is in the form of x minus whole power n. It is also x minus 1 whole power n. What is the value of x minus 1 whole power n? nc0 minus nc1. Alternatively we get plus and minus. That means here value is 2n c0 into 9 power 2n. Okay. 9 power 2n. Okay. Next, minus 2n c1 into what is the value? Or we reduce the in simply 1 minus x whole power n. 1 minus x whole power and convert into this form. Simply, it can be reduced into in this way. Please observe these values. 9 minus 1 whole power 2n means 1 minus 9 whole power 2n. This value is power is even. This 2n power is even. That value can be reduced into 1 minus 9 whole power 2n. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. 1 minus 9 is equal to minus 8. 8 power 2n is equal to minus 8 whole power 2n. 2n is even. Okay. Next. Here 63 minus 1, that is equal to minus of 1 minus 63. Okay. Any doubt? 63 whole minus 1 whole power 2n plus 1 is equal to minus of 1 minus 63 whole power 2n plus 1. This value is even or odd? It is odd. Minus of whole power odd means minus. That means minus of 1 minus 63 whole power 2n plus 1. Please observe this value. Okay. Please note that value. Since 63 minus 1 is equal to minus of 1 minus 63. 63 minus 1 whole power 2n plus 1 is equal to minus of 1 minus 63 whole power 2n plus 1. That means minus of minus plus. Okay. That means 1 minus 63 whole power 2n plus 1. Okay. After simplification, it can be reduced into 2n C0 minus 2n C1 into 9 plus 2n C2 into 9 square minus so on 2n C2n into 9 power 2n. It is the first expansion. Okay. Next, second expansion. Plus 1 2n plus 1 C0 minus 2n plus 1 C1 into, what is that value? 63 plus 2n plus 2 C2 into 63 whole square minus so on. Last term is 2n plus 1 C2n plus 1 into 63 whole power 2n plus 1. Okay. It is the value. Here 2n C0 means 1. 2n C1 means 1. 1 plus 1 means 2. Okay. In all the remaining terms, it is the 9. It is 9 square means 9. In this case, 9, 9. What is the common term? 9. In this case, 63 means 9 into 7. 9 into 7 whole square. All of these terms contains 9. That means all of these are multiples of 9. Please observe this value. It is the 1. It is the 1. 1 plus 1 means 2. That is equal. It can be reduced into 2 plus. Here 9 is the common term. 9 into some integer. Okay. Here 9 is also a common. 9 into some integer. What is the meaning of this? 2 plus 9 into integer plus integer means integer. 9 into integer means this value is divisible by 9. What is the remainder? 9k plus some constant. This 2 is integer. 2 is positive or negative? Positive. If it is a positive, that is integer. Suppose this is minus 2. What is the remainder? 9 minus 2. That is equal to 7 is the remainder. Remainder never be negative. Very, very important. Okay. 9k plus 2 form. So remainder is 2. Very, very important. Please note this value. Okay.